Hi everyone. In this video we are going to solve a question, an advanced level question from the chapter limits. So here you can see that base contains variable and also the power contains variable. So better we find their limits separately to have a clarity. So first I am taking the power because it is looking easier. That's why. Okay, limit n tends to infinity n by ln n. So we will get infinity by log infinity. Okay, log infinity, this is the graph of log x and it is clear that log infinity will be infinity. So which form is this? Infinity by infinity form. If it is infinity by infinity form, what I can do? I can apply L'Hopital, L'Hospital's rule or L'Hopital rule. So our differentiating numerator, which is 1, the differentiating denominator, which is 1 by n. So this is limit n tends to infinity n, which is infinity. Otherwise you can think like this also. This is x graph, this is log x graph, and x by log x or n by log n will be tending to infinity. Okay, so that's the case. Okay, now limit of the base. Limit of the base, you can see a and b are constant, so their limit will be a and b only. This one we need to find separately. Which one? Nth root of n. To find this, let me write it as n raised to 1 by n. Now if I apply the limit infinity raised to 1 by infinity tends to 0. So infinity raised to 0 form. Infinity raised to 0 form, then what should I do? I should apply logarithm. For that, let me take L equal to limit n tends to n raised to 1 by n. Both side I applied logarithm. So log L equal to, log will go inside limit. So limit n tends to infinity log of n power 1 by n, which is limit n tends to infinity log n divided by n, log a power n. This 1 power n will come outside. Okay, so I have this is log L. So what is log L equal to? Which form is this? Log n by n. Log n by n is infinity by infinity. It's a reciprocal of the previous one. Okay, reciprocal of this, whatever. Log with the base 10 only. Okay, don't think that, sorry, log with the base e only. So I am again applying L'Hopital. So this is 1 by n, denominator is 1, so this is 0. So L equal to e raised to 0, which is 1. So what we got? Limit n tends to infinity, a nth root of n plus b raised to n by ln n will be a plus b raised to infinity. A plus b raised to infinity. Okay, now you can see that this limit exists and its value equal to e power minus 3. Is there any chance that this is equal to e power minus 3? Any number raised to infinity equal to 1 by e cube? No, this is not possible. So what is the meaning of that? Its meaning is, why it is not equal to e raised to minus 3? You take 3. 3 raised to infinity tends to infinity. You take 1. Okay, then it will be 1 power infinity. If you take 0.3, 0.3 raised to infinity will be 0. 0.3 raised to infinity tends to 0. So which form should be this? This should be 1 raised to infinity form, indeterminate form. Okay, this should be indeterminate form. This equal to e raised to minus 3 is not possible. It is impossible. But limit is e power minus 3. So what is the meaning of that? This is 1 raised to infinity form. So limit of the base, limit n tends to infinity a into nth root of n plus b. This is 1. Okay, that means a plus b is 1. So that we got. So which form is this? 1 raised to infinity. Now 1 raised to infinity form, we have a shortcut. What is the shortcut? Limit x tends to a f of x raised to g of x is 1 raised to infinity form. Then this is equal to limit x tends to a f of x minus 1 into g of x. So I am going to use this result here. So my limit will become e raised to limit n tends to infinity a n raised to 1 by n plus b f of x minus 1 into g of x is n by ln n. Now it is given that this is equal to e raised to minus 3. So I can write limit n tends to infinity a n raised to 1 by n. We have a plus b 1. So what is b minus 1? Which will be minus a. So this b minus a, this b minus 1 I am replacing by minus a. Okay. So it will be like this. I hope you understood this step. It's very easy method. Into n divided by ln n. This is minus 3. Okay. This is equal to minus 3. Now let me find this. To solve this one, what I am going to do is I am going to use a substitution. X equal to 1 by n. So this is a and this will be 1 by x raised to x minus 1 and this will be x, n will be 1 by x, ln 1 by x. Okay, what is this limit? Its limit equal to minus 3. Okay, now limit n tends to infinity a 1 by x raised to x minus 1 divided by minus x ln x. Log a by b is log a, log 1 by a is minus log a. Log 1 by a is log a power minus 1 which is minus log a. So log 1 by x can be written like this, minus log x. Okay. So I used that result here. So I got this. Now what is the next step? Which form is this? Denominator is x into ln x. Numerator is 1 by x raised to x. You see n raised to 1 by n and 1 by x raised to x. Sorry, here x tends to 0. Both are same. N raised to 1 by n tends to 1. 1 by x raised to x also tends to 1. So this numerator is 0. Denominator is also 0. It will be 0. If you want, you can find like this. ln x by 1 by x. It will be infinity by infinity form. Log 0 is minus infinity by infinity form. Then you apply L'Hopital. If you apply L'Hopital, this will be 1 by x. This will be minus 1 by x square, which will be minus x. So the denominator's limit will be 0. Okay, when I apply x tends to 0, it will be 0. So this is 0 by 0 form. Okay, I hope it's clear. Okay, clear. Now apply L'Hopital. If you apply L'Hopital, this is also 0 by 0 form. If you apply L'Hopital, what you will get? Limit x tends to 0, a into 1 by x raised to x derivative is 1 by x raised to x into x by 1 by x into minus 1 by x square plus log 1 by x into 1 divided by, now minus x log x derivative is minus 1 plus log x. Okay. Those students who don't know derivative of 1 by x raised to x, I will just tell the theory for that. D by dx of u power v is u power v into v by u into u dash plus log u into v dash. I used this and I got 1 by x raised to x derivative. I directly wrote it. You can see u is 1 by x, v is x. So 1 by x raised to x into power by base into derivative of base plus log of base into derivative of power. Okay, I used this. So I got this. Now I am going to, okay, so a into limit x tends to 0. I have 1 by x raised to x. Here what I have, minus is there and x, you can see that this x will go to numerator, x square will cancel, so it will be minus 1 plus log 1 by x. Log 1 by x I can write it as minus log x. So minus ln x divided by minus 1 plus ln x. Okay, good. These two will cancel. So what you got? A into limit x tends to 0, 1 by x raised to x. That one is same as this. Okay, this limit, the first n raised to 1 by n is same as limit x tends to 0, 1 by x raised to x. Both are same. So it will be a into 1. Okay, understood? So a. So what is a? A is minus 3. What is this limit? This limit is minus 3. So what is b? 4. Okay. So that's the answer for this question. Thank you.